Introducing the revolutionary Masterscreed Motor Handle Kit. Designed specifically for the African construction market, this innovative equipment takes efficiency and precision to the next level. The Masterscreed Motor Handle Kit allows you to screed concrete surfaces 75% faster than traditional methods. Its powerful Honda GX35 engine delivers 1.5 horsepower, providing consistent performance with minimal effort. The adjustable twin-handle system and independent handle vibration isolators ensure maximum operator comfort and control. Key features include: for independent handle vibration isolators, fully adjustable twin-handle system, rounded extrusion bar ends for easy maneuverability, quick-change extrusion bars available in various sizes, emergency engine shut-off switch, unique extruded blade that cuts and smooths concrete simultaneously, tilt-up stand to keep the engine out of the concrete when not in use. With models ranging from 4 feet to 16 feet in length, this kit can handle any job, large or small. Don't miss out on this game-changer for your construction projects. Upgrade to the Masterscreed Motor Handle Kit today and experience the future of concrete screeding.